Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna try to do is do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. Are we ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Alexander Reed Lawrence, case number SP 169-39431. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Sperry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lawrence.
Alexander Lawrence.
Mr. Lawrence, good morning to you.
Good morning.
You were here before, and the city offered you an opportunity to take a better driver's course. Did you take that course, sir?
Yes.
You sent me that course, did you not?
Yes.
See where I saw that in my email. So let me ask you this: what did you get out of the course?
I learned some more information to be a better driver.
All right, and specifically, what did you get? What kind of information did you learn?
I learned some of the different laws, and then more accidents and how to improve my driving.
All right. Give me something about accidents. What did you learn about accidents out of the course?
I learned some of the accidents is caused by speeding, which I was doing, and I should not be speeding as much because I could get into I'm more likely to get into an accident.
And give me something else that you learned. Something that you didn't know.
I learned about this little thing called rubbernecking.
Say that again. You say you learned about what now? Oh, you went out. I think you're somehow got muted.
Oh, I learned about this little thing called rubbernecking, where people kind of like look around at other stuff instead of the road.
That's gonna definitely could potentially cause an accident.
Yeah.
I'm looking up the. Did recall this morning seeing a post that I got on the misdemeanor morality. I do have, I mean, sorry, that the better drivers course. I'm gonna pull up the certificate. The offer was to amend the ticket to a 6 to limited access 6 to 10. I'm satisfied that you did take the course, and I'm satisfied that you did get something out of it. I hope that you know, I hope that it helps you become a better driver. That was the whole purpose. And what I'll do is I'll grant the offer of the 6 to 10, amending it SP 169-39431 to limited access 6 to 10. And it's gonna drop the fine down to $135. When can you pay?
Possibly by next Friday.
Next Friday, you sure on that?
Yes.
August the 1st. You hear me, Mr. Mr. Lawrence?
Yes.
You'll have to pay by August the 1st?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. John Paul Lewis, are you there? John Paul Lewis Senior, we're gonna wait on the officer. We're gonna give the officer that's set for trial a half-hour grace period. If the officer does not show, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does show, then we will get you in with the city, with the attorney. They'll get you an alcohol, okay?
Hey, mama. Hey, sugar. Yeah?
All right, can you mute yourselves, please, if if I haven't called your name. Good morning, Ms. Snyder. Good morning, Officer Kent. Martin. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Michael Lee Gamble. Mr. Gamble, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Case number, good morning to you. Case number SP 1399-8121. State your name for the record, Mr. Gamble.
Michael Lee Gamble.
All right, good morning, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. You haven't got the money here. You have paid $100, I see.
Yes, sir. I just started my job last time I spoke to you, and I'm catching up on everything. I've been making payments here and there. I put another $100 on it just to get paid off.
Come back next month, August the 25th, all right? August the 25th at 8:25. Best of luck to you. Best of luck to you on your new job, all right?
Yep. Have a good day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Bernard Brandon Little. Case numbers SP 169-5294, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 169-5296, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Little. Good morning to you.
For the record, I'm here, Bernard Little. I am here under threat, duress, and coercion.
Take your hood off, please, sir.
You say what now?
Take your hood off, please. All right. All right, today is the date and time set for a final pretrial. Ms. Snyder, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, so today is the date and time. Is your officer up here, Ms. Snyder?
I don't believe he's here yet, Your Honor. I thought he had until 9:30. I'm looking for Officer Simpson.
It's not exactly the trial date, but I will give him some time to show up. I do see that you provided the court with some jury instructions.
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know if those have been over to Mr. Little. If not, we can get him a copy of those. And if you have any questions about the jury instructions, Mr. Little, then of course you can pose that to the court. But I have not seen any jury instructions from you, so I'm going to determine that you're willing to go along with the city's jury instructions that they presented to the court.
I haven't seen her instructions. I don't know what's on her instructions, so I can't agree to go with anything that the prosecutor or the courts is given toward them, because I haven't received anything in that conjunction.
Well, we can get you a copy if you have an email address. I can put you in a breakout room with Ms. Snyder, but the issue was you were supposed to present your own jury instructions, and that way you and Ms. Snyder could have gone over and come to some agreement on the instructions together. And if there was not, you weren't able to come to that agreement, then you can put it to the court, and the court would have made a decision on what the court would thought would be fair. But being as you have not, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Snyder. I don't know if you have an email address, that would be great that she can get those to you. But other than that, I don't know how else you will be able to. Go ahead.
Your Honor, I don't have an active email. What I can do, I will, since we have court tomorrow, I'll come in a little early, and if it's possible, and go over.
All right.
Well, let's just get through the day first.
No, I mean, that's what really the purpose of the day is. I will, what I'm gonna do too is I did make sure all the parties were supposed to be here, and I don't see the witness for the prosecution. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give them a bit of a grace period, 30 minutes or so. And if they don't show up, we'll get you out of here. We'll dismiss the case for them not showing up. All right. So let's pass the matter, and then we'll see if they show up.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It may not be necessary for all of that. All right. Is Mashunda Oliver here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Mashunda Oliver, case number U71463025. Please.
Anthony 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Oliver, your name, please.
Mashonda Y. Oliver.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time. Is it set for a pretrial, Mr. Dupree?
It is, Your Honor. I'm just asking if I could have a breakout room with my client.
Absolutely. Ms. Oliver, I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. It's doing that. I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. Go in there and speak with Mr. Dupree, and we'll pass the matter.
Okay, thank you.
Is Joseph Grove there? Joseph Grove there? On the Zoom user, excuse me, Zoom user. Can you unmute yourself? State your name, please.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Joseph Grove.
Yeah, I got you, Mr. Grove. Good morning to you. Give me 1 second. Zoom user, can you start your camera, please? State your name.
Yes, Charles Greenwood.
Charles Greenwood.
Yeah, I'm at work right now. Sorry about that, man.
You know, we'll try to get you out of here. I think the officer is here. I don't know if there's more than one.
Thank you.
All right. You can go ahead and turn your camera off. If you're at work, I'll get with you in just a minute, all right? City of Detroit versus Joseph Marion Grove, case number SP 1742894, House 1 and Council 2, SP 174458081. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, is that retained counsel?
I don't know that. Let's see. Grove, is that, what is it set for?
Formal hearing at 8:30.
You have a retained lawyer, Mr. Grove?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, well, it is retained counsel. We'll wait on your attorney to come in, Dean, and then Rizzo. Officers Dean and Rizzo, or Rizzo. We'll wait on your attorney to come in, all right?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Now let's pass the matter. Greenidge, Thurston Greenidge.
Yes, sir. Hello?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Right. Computer slow. Good morning. I'm sorry. I'm not. Where's he on the docket? Are you Stephen Greenidge? Yeah, you're Stephen.
Yes, Your Honor. Stephen Greenidge.
Are you Stephen or are you Tristan?
I'm a junior. I go by Tristan. That's why my Zoom says Tristan. Stephen Greenidge Jr.
There we go. City of Detroit. Well, I don't understand this. This is Stephen Anders Good Green.
Yep, Stephen Anderson Greenidge Jr.
So where does the Tristan come in?
It's a nickname.
Oh, very good. All right. City of Detroit versus Stephen Greenidge, case number 8, SP 1747083. SP 1747081. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Stephen Anderson Greenidge Jr.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
In or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Let's put your client in the breakout room, get your client an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Can you run his license, please?
Aaron, I apologize. I don't show him on the docket that I have. Could you please tell me what The
Has,
charges are,
no officer on failure to stop at a stop sign.
thank you.
Greenwich.
Green. Join the room, sir. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit. Ashley Oldham, are you there? Oldham, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Barry, do you have any, ma'am?
I do not, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Ashley Oldham, case number SP 144-63101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Oldham.
Ashley Nightana Oldham.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, I'm going to dismiss your client's case. She paid related civil infraction. If there's nothing further, Mr. Oldham, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You have a good one.
It's the city of Detroit versus Dalton Gasher, Robert Gasher, case number SP 166-65701. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Dalton Robert Gazier.
Gazier, I'm sorry. All right, good morning again to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for the purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond, Mr. Gazier. It's ironic that we have two of the same last names and the same date, and they say there's no relation, but I'm going to dismiss your case, sir, for you paying a related civil infraction, okay?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much. You as well.
Thank you. Ms. Harris, Mr. Greenwich has a valid license. All right, is Lenora Gordon there? Lenora Gordon?
I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you as well.
It's the city of Detroit versus Anara Karen Gordon, case number SP 1506302. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gordon.
Inara Korean Gordon.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Ms. Gordon, You said you were gonna do 12 hours of community service for one of these. Let's see. This is a matter of, just not having confirmation that you did what you agreed to do. I do see that you paid civil infraction for the expired thing. What about the community service now? Did you do the community service?
I had no way to get there, so they suggested I find a local church.
That's not an excuse. You do have a way to get there.
Bus.
You need bus fare. I had to take an absence of leave from work as well because I had no way to get there.
So you had to take an absence from work?
Yes.
And why is that?
I live in Detroit, Michigan. I work in Pontiac, Michigan, and the community service was in Southwest Detroit.
How do you get to work every day?
I asked for absence of
He's
leave.
putting
because
hold
I
on
couldn't
the
get there.
story.
Wait a minute. Who is that talking?
You hear that? Are you on mute? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right, I don't need you. I don't need you to. You need to mute your device, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, say that. Explain that to me again, ma'am.
I live in Detroit, Michigan. I work in Pontiac, Michigan, and the community service was in Southwest Detroit.
Okay. And you're saying you don't have a vehicle?
At that time that I was supposed to complete the community service, no.
But you do have a vehicle now?
Someone is taking me around now. I still don't have a vehicle.
Okay, and why couldn't they get you to the community service?
I wasn't my boyfriend. I wasn't with him at that time.
No, you're with them now. What I'm saying is, did you call over there at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Oh yes, I did, and they told me they didn't understand why I was told to come that far. So they told me to look like for churches or grocery stores, and they told me I could complete it that way, like doing service for them. But I told them that the church that was near me told me that they didn't need any help. And then that was the last that I spoke to them.
I don't know how long ago this was that you spoke with them, but they're very quick to get you something in your area. This goes all the way back to March 27, 2025, 2024. So it's over almost a year and a half ago. That's just not acceptable now.
Yes.
I'm gonna pass the matter. I'm gonna get you into I'm gonna get Southwest Detroit in here. If not, we can get you. Are you still in Lincoln Park?
That's my father's address that I use. I live in Detroit, Michigan.
All right, I'm gonna get them in here to see if they can get you something in your area. You do the community service, we said we'll dismiss the case, but the fact that I haven't seen you in over a year that's not the way this is supposed to work, all right?
Okay.
I'm gonna pass the matter, we'll get them in here. Ms. Raven Gibson.
Yes.
Detroit versus Raven Gibson, case number SP 106639681, SP 1241933, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gibson.
Raven Gibson.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set. A pre-trial, Ms. Gibson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Join the room, let us know what you want to do. That would be Inara Gordon, E-N-A-R-A.
I got you. Got the case. It's a nerve. Her first name is E-N-A-R-A.
E-N-A-R-A. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greenwich. Mr. Greenwich, he has a valid driver's license, Miss Harris.
Thank you, Your Honor. We are respectfully requesting a formal hearing.
Oh, here we go. Is that cool for you, or want me in the garage? Is that good?
Everybody's got to mute themselves, please, if you're not on the record.
This is Mr. Greenwich. I have a question.
What's your question, Mr. Greenwich?
I sent a message to take the plea.
So we're gonna try and get that balance lower.
Sorry, I did not see that message, but Your Honor, he wishes to accept the offer. And the current offer is he could admit responsibility to the amended charge of blocking traffic.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I want to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, sir?
You can play it right now.
Tomorrow to get that payment in. You said right now, correct?
Yes, immediately, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna give you till tomorrow. You can pay it today as soon as Ms. Mathis gets it in. Don't pay it until you see $175 blocking traffic. Pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much, you too.
This is the state of Michigan versus Gavin Gasser, case number SX4550307. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge Matthew Turner for the plaintiff, and I'm here with Mr. Gazer.
Mr. Gazer, good morning to you, Mr. Gazer. State your name for the record, please.
I'll talk to them.
Mr. Gazer, state your name for the record, please.
Gavin, are you on?
He was.
He was on. Is it possible he's in the breakout room, Judge?
He could be. He is.
Can you bring him back?
I'll try to bring him in. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Do we have a file for him? All right, I mean, you may have. I mean, we had two. Last date and time set for a formal hearing. The Trooper DOCZKAJA. I have not seen join the room. It is past the cutoff of, I gave the officer a half-hour grace period. It is now 9:23. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would move to dismiss the infraction as the officer has not appeared, and Mr. Gazer is here in the room now as well.
State your name, Mr. Gazer. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Gavin Gaisher.
Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, everybody.
Robert Giles.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let me do something. Let me give Mr. Murray co-host ability, meet the city and breakout room 4. Co-host ability, Ms. Kaminsky, meet the city and breakout room 4. And Mr. Basil Johnson, good morning to you. Good morning to all of you. Meet the city and breakout room 4.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Robert Franklin Giles. Is it the second, sir?
Third.
Third. Good morning to you. Case number SP 172108881. Appearing for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Giles, please state your name for the record.
Robert Giles.
Day is the date and time set for a free trial. Give Mr. Giles an updated offer. Mr. Giles, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial and put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that she might return with documents.
What you want to do, Ms. Gibson?
Can you repeat that?
Is that what you want to do, bench trial date?
Yeah, to come back with my license.
All right. Did you give me some dates, Ms. Memphis? Maybe you did. Maybe you did. Oh. Yes, you did. Come back on the 8th of the August the 12th, ma'am. August the 12th at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Gibson, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Corporal Rule, who is your defendant? Grove? And Grove was represented by.
I'm here, Your Honor. Curtis.
Good morning to you. Grove is represented
Grove.
by.
We're
Grove is
waiting on
represented by someone.
we're waiting on his attorney.
Yeah, Mr. Murray, he's in a breakout room. So, what about Ronald Lee?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Is that Ronald Lee?
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you.
You have a middle name?
Yes, Terrell.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ronald Terrell Lee. Case number SP 1695662, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Ronald Terrell Lee.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we would, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive, my client would stand mute.
Flynn or not guilty, pleading your client's behalf, your client a $0 bond, Mr. Lee. Go speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. This pass doesn't matter. Let's go back on the record with Robert Giles. Mr. Giles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Giles?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Giles, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too.
All right.
Judge, again on Miss Oliver.
Yeah, okay. Let me get Miss Harris going. I'll get you next. Miss Alexandria Goss. Set for trial. There, Ms. Alexandria Goss.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Alexandria Goss, case number SB 1284832, SB 161533321, SB 1754830, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1754834. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Goss, please state your name.
Alexandria Goss.
You're only see two matters for trial.
Yeah, she got, seems like she got some more allegations. Corporal Spidell, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Corporal Spidell. Good morning, Corporal Spidell, Batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
Name, badge number, and department for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Honor. Nicholas Hop, Detroit Police Officer, badge 1789.
Today is the date and time set for a formal, whether it was set for a trial on two matters. Mrs. Harris, the new matters, Ms. Goss has the option of either getting a global offer or setting these other matters for a pre-trial or a formal pre-trial or trial. Nine or not guilty plea on her behalf on those new matters. That is an expired plate, insurance no proof, invalid registration, and a improper display of plate. So it will be all formal hearings if she wanted to do that. We'll get her an update on it. Ms. Goss, Ms. Harris is going to explain things to you. I'm going to put you in a breakdown room with her. If you get an updated offer, keep in mind if you don't like the offer, you have the right to a formal hearing, okay? Join the room, please. All right, Ms. Snyder, are you there? All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Dupree. Let's go back on the record with your client, Ms. Oliver. Ms. Oliver, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. I'll give counsel an opportunity to pre-try the case. What does your client want to do, Mr. Dupree?
Judge, we're just looking for a bench trial date.
All right. Come back on August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you both the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Judge, I'm set to be in a jury trial in front of Judge Williams on the 12th. Is there any chance it could be the 14th?
The 14th, Ms. Mathis?
That's good.
All right, the 14th, I'll mark it on there.
Thank you, Your
Good
Honor.
morning. 14th, all right. You have a very good day, Mr. Dupree. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
It's Mr. Little. Mr. Little, I don't see the officers having. Let me get this Keith Simpson. Let me give Ms. Snyder an opportunity to respond, and we'll get you on your way. All right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Few more minutes.
Your Honor.
Yes.
My court was at 8:30, Your Honor. They extended an hour after you gave the officer a grace period of an hour.
Well, I didn't give the officer a grace period. I didn't give the officer a grace period of an hour. I gave him a half hour.
I'm asking a question. If my court started at 8:30.
Yeah, I told you, Mr. Little, I'm gonna get you out of here. Your case is gonna get dismissed, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, it was at 8:30 and I'll give them a half-hour grace period. I'm sorry, I didn't recognize the fact that it was, at 8:30. I thought it was at 9 o'clock. So they didn't show up at 9 o'clock. You were gonna get the case dismissed anyway. I'm glad you brought that to my attention. But just give me 1 second to let her respond to the motion to dismiss, all right? So she can make a record. I let you make your records. So let me let her make her records. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are we ready on, who are we ready on? Mr. Lee, let's go back on the record with Mr. Robert Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid documents both for registration and insurance. We seek dismissal for compliance.
All right. Dismiss the case, Mr. Lee, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You as well. Is Elijah Gonzalez, that's for the law firm. Let me get Mr. Andre Hope Garrett, Ms. Kaminsky, going with Mr. Berry, and then I'll get you.
Hello? This is Andre Hope Garrett.
Okay, good morning to you, sir.
Hi, good morning to you, Your Honor.
All right. Can you turn your camera on, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is that better?
It is.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let me see where Mr. Garrett falls on the docket. Okay, I see what's going on.
9 a.m., Your Honor.
He's at trial, City of Detroit versus his formal hearing, City of Detroit versus Andre Hope Garrett, case number SB 1701665, appearing for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garrett.
My name is Andre Hope. Middle name is Hope. Last name is Garrett.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Is there Officer Burley here? Officer Burley. Hearing no response, Mr. Berry.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor.
Is Officer Burley here? It's past 9:30. I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer, there's nothing. Mr. Andre Hope Garrett, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, can I get some paperwork sent out to me, please, Your Honor?
It won't be sent out to you. You'll have to go on the website and you can print out an ROA.
Okay.
It'll have that disposition listed on. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Okay, thank you too, sir.
All right, Ms. Snyder, are you there?
Yes, Ron.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Brandon Little. Ms. Snyder, I never saw your officer show. So I'm going to dismiss the case. If you want to make a record, you can.
Bernard Little, Judge, not Brandon.
Bernard, I'm sorry. Bernard, well, it's Bernard Brandon Little, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322. I do not have an explanation for the officer's absence. If there, I would just ask that if I do get a hold of him later today, if I find out there was some reason, if I could email Madam Clerk to make sure that the record doesn't reflect it was dismissed for an OPO. But that would be my only request, and I would ask the matter be dismissed without prejudice.
All right, they're dismissed, Mr. Little. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Yeah, a better one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Bye, Mr. Little.
Oh, I'm gonna take it.
That seems real flat.
And it's super flat.
Yeah, you got it.
Who's that talking? Gonzalez?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
This is Angela Kaminsky, P87529, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez, who is present via Zoom this morning.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Gonzalez, are you there?
I did see him logged in, Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't hear him.
Mr. Gonzalez, if you could please unmute.
Oh, yes, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gonzalez. This is
Good
the
morning.
City of Detroit versus Elijah Gonzalez, case number SP 1714977, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Angela Kaminsky, P87529, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez, who is present via Zoom this morning.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing. Is there officers Deans or Brantley? Officer Deans or Brantley? I'm hearing no response. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, we respectfully move to dismiss both matters as the half-hour grace period has passed and neither officer has appeared.
Well, case dismissed. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gonzalez, have a very good rest of your day. And best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You as
Thank you,
well.
Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Lake, case number SP 1720911. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lake.
Mr. Lake, are you there? You have to unmute yourself, sir. Hello. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, sir. Hello. State your name for the record, please. Michael Anthony Lake. Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for trial. Is there an Officer Wells? Officer Wells. Excuse me. I don't see an Officer Wells on my list, and hearing no response. There's no officers in the breakout rooms. Go ahead, Counsel.
Motions for dismissal, Your Honor.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
Ms. Harris, are you ready on Goss?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Goss. Ms. Goss, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, was the court able to confirm a valid license?
I didn't try. Pass the matter. Let's see if we can get a valid license from Ms. Goss. Let's see. All right. Javon Green, are you there?
Yeah.
Javion Green, give me the correct. Javion Green, is that correct? Or is it just Javon?
Javon.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. To this City of Detroit versus Javon Green, case number SP 1455933, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 145595551. SP 15019841. SP 1549021, SP 1556972, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Javon Green.
Your Honor, I think that's Attorney Johnson's matter.
Yeah, that's my client, Your Honor. Unless Mr. Berry had discussed prior.
No,
Okay.
Go right ahead.
Right.
If I spoke with Mr.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. May I please report Vassal Johnson, the second P72130 on behalf of Mr. Green. And Judge, I did speak with Ms. Schneider on Mr. Green. I just have to update him. I just need a breakout room with him, please.
Okay. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Johnson. He's gonna get you that updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? And the day is the date and time set for that. Let's see how many officers showed up for Javon Green. Corporal McCree, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Sure. Good morning, Judge. Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Who else is here for Javon Green?
Your Honor, Sergeant William Ventavogel, badge S1576, Detroit Police Department.
Okay, good morning, Sergeant Ventavogel. Good morning to you. Anyone else here for Javon Green? All right. I don't know how many officers wrote tickets, so I do have to figure that out, Mr.
We went through them if you have a minute.
I got more than a minute.
Oh, okay. Dominique Bell was one.
Bell. And what case numbers were those? Well, I can see it. It's all you listed on there. It's just strict attorney.
155 6972 SP.
Okay, that's Bell. He wasn't here, is that correct?
That's correct.
Who else was not here?
Officer Cavalas. Get in the case number.
Oh, that would be SP 1549802.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else?
No.
Bell. Get it updated off for Mr. Green, and if he doesn't like it, today is the date and time set for the trial. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Join the room, please, and he's in there.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Counselor Murray, good morning to you. Who is your client?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Who's your client?
Joseph Grove.
All right, let's go recall the city of Detroit versus Joseph Marion Grove. The second case number is SP 1742894, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 174458081. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Murray, P5490, appearing on behalf of Mr. Grove. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Joseph Grove.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Grove. Day, date, and time set for a formal hearing. Is there an Officer Dean or Officer Rizzo? Officer Dean or an Officer Rizzo?
I believe one of the officers is here on the 31 plus over ticket, Your Honor.
And what is that officer's name?
That's Corporal Rule, Your Honor.
Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you, Corporal Rule. All right, go ahead. What's going to happen? Did you work it out?
Yes, I believe so. Corporal Rule has been gracious enough to agree to allow my client to take the better driver's course and provide proof of completion, and upon such proof, the matter can be dismissed. In the interim, we would like to, instead of an adjourned date, I guess tentatively put the dismissal in now, and I'll send APA Schneider the proof of completion this afternoon.
Just a quick correction, Your Honor. I think me and Attorney Murray were talking pretty quickly. It was amendment to a blockading.
What did I say?
Dismissal. Same.
Dismissal of the original charge, and then yes, to blockade.
He was dreaming for you, Mr. Grove. He already made it a real generous offer at 31 Oaks. So you're going to take this course today?
Yes, sir.
I need to hear what you learned out of this course. I'm going to put the course in the chat. So how long is it going to take you to do it?
I'm about to do it right now, sir.
All right. You want to come back tomorrow morning? Is that it?
That'll work, Your Honor. We can zoom back in tomorrow morning.
I'm good to go, Your Honor.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Be safe out the Corporal Rule.
Thank you.
I put my email address in the chat. I put the Better Drivers course in the chat. Let's bring you back tomorrow. Let's make sure that I'll dismiss the other matters, no officer. If there's nothing further, we'll bring you back tomorrow on this ticket. Please be ready to articulate what you got out of that course, okay, sir?
Mr. Girl, I think he might
That's all right. Let him know that.
I'll let him know, Judge. Thank you.
All right, very well.
All right, bye-bye.
Mr. Let me see who these two people are that are Burley. He already dismissed his case. I'll not put no officer since he did show. Officer Burley. Let me see who this is.
Exactly. You just want something to fuss about.
313-550-7102. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Katrina Lee.
Katrina Lee. Good morning to you, Ms. Lee. A K? Is it with the K? Oh, C.
C. C-A-T-R-I-E-D.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Lee.
Good morning.
All right. Give me 1 second, please. On the phone at 313-610-4606. Good morning to you. What is your name?
Good morning. Michael Kevin Gaines.
Michael Kevin Gaines?
Yes, sir.
Michael Kevin Gaines. Let's see where that falls on. And Gaines is G-A-I-N-E-S.
That would be correct, sir.
And Michael is just typical spelling of Michael.
Yes, M-I-C-H-A-E-L.
And then Kevin is the middle name, correct?
Yes.
Show cause 336. Join 336, Mr. Gaines, and see if they let you in there. That's where your file is. If you're not, if they don't let you in there, you can call back and you call down there and tell them Michael Kevin Gaines is in here. That would be 360-336-0000, okay?
Okay.
Join them, and if you can't get in, come on and Zoom back in. We'll figure it out.
All right. Thank you, Jordan.
We call. They're expecting you to join in. 360-336-0000. I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Gaines. Have a very good day. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Harris, Ms. Dawson has a valid license.
Thank you. We're ready.
All right. Let me see. What about Graves? Is Graves there? No.
Yes, I'm here.
Let's go with Katrina. Let's go with Katrina Lee. I'm sorry, Mr. Graves. Give me a minute. You'll be up after Miss Lee. City of Detroit versus Katrina. City of Detroit versus Katrina Lee. Case numbers SP 106-93461. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Katrina Laverne Lee.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'm in there and not guilty plea on Miss Lee's behalf. I'm gonna give her a $0 bond. Miss Lee also has allegations that they're in default. There's multiple allegations of failure to stop and disregard a stop sign. It appears that that's just what it's different street corners. One street corner in particular, I used to live on that corner, on Van Dyke and Agnes. And I heard, and I looked at the result of the lady, they didn't have a stop sign there on that street that when I was over there. And a lady got hit and killed because someone was driving too fast and hit her crossing the street. And the very next year, her daughter got hit and killed on the same corner. And that's when they put that stop sign there. And they allege that Miss Lee ran the stop sign. They also allege that Miss Lee ran the stop sign on Connor and Kirchhoff. They also allege Ms. Lee ran the stop sign on Connor and Charlevoix. And then she did run the sign on Jefferson and Woodward. She did run the stop sign on Gratiot and Mack. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's just what it seems like. That's just what she does. And they allege that she doesn't have a valid driver's license. So we're not even gonna hear the cases of I'm not gonna set aside any of the defaults. So we won't even have to go there. Let's just deal with the driver's license issue, Mr. Berry. All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Lee, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Good morning.
Ready on Wood. Good morning, Counselor.
We have a co-host. I have John Paul Lewis. I just talked to the prosecutor.
Villanueva, Officer Villanueva, good morning to you. John Paul Lewis. Okay, you're on John Paul Lewis, so they're waiting on him. Graves, I said Graves. So you don't have anybody. Okay, so all right, let's go back on the record with Goss. Ms. Goss, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation she could admit responsibility to the improper display of plate with the remaining matters dismissed, and we want to take advantage of that offer.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Goss?
Yes.
Ms. Goss?
She's saying yes, but it seems like her audio is coming through low.
Ms. Goss, can you hear me?
That was a lot, my bad.
Yes.
They told you to go back there and
That's just an improper display of plate, Counselor?
Yes,
Still
Your
in
Honor.
practice?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on the client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulation will find your client responsible as charged to the improper display of plate, $105. When can you pay it, ma'am? Pardon me?
By next Friday.
You have to do something about your volume. Take your hand off your face so we can hear you.
I don't know what's wrong with this. This is my laptop.
That's better. That's better. That's better. When can you pay it, Ms. Goss?
By next Friday.
Pull some other stuff down here. You need to, I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You owe a lot of other civil infractions. So I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure this out, all right?
Okay.
All right.
So, Your Honor, the 5 other matters that were on the that were called into the record today are dismissed. Just making sure of that.
Except for the improper display of plate.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. But she owes some other civil infractions that she never paid. Failure to stop, no insurance proof, no valid registration, speeding 11 to 15. I'll dismiss the speeding 11 to 15 since that was set for, who was there on that? If that was one where an officer did not appear.
There were only 2 on the docket, Your Honor.
That's a Corporal Spidell. He's here. So strike that. You're gonna have to pay it now. All right. But all the other cases dismissed. If it's nothing further, Ms. Goss, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who was waiting on Mr. Phillips? That would have been Ms. Gordon. Mr. Phillips, speak to Ms. Gordon in a breakout room. Good morning to you, Mr. Phillips.
Good morning.
She needs to say something as far as community service.
Okay.
She doesn't live in the area of Southwest Detroit. All right, let's get down to Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Turn your camera on, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Demarion Graves. Case number SP 157100011. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Graves, please state your name.
Demarion Graves.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Harris, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Graves. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Graves, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay.
Okay.
You missed the trial date, Ms. Harris.
And I recognize that he possibly had appointed counsel. Could that counsel be reappointed to his case?
I don't know if they ever talked to him or not. I don't know how that works, so.
I never talked to no one.
He was supposed to have, I don't see. It's in here though. Ms. Mathis did her job. Didn't you, Ms. Mathis? All right, let's go to the breakout room, speak with him. And you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Join the room, please. Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
Yes, ready as to Ms. Lee, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Let's arraign Ms. Lee on the warrant. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Lee's behalf, give her a $0 bond. Is there an offer?
Your Honor, Ms. Lee we'd ask the court to check for her valid license, confirm her valid license.
What are you going to do? Break.
See, I guess it's gonna need a lawyer. Are you ready, Mr. Nassarai?
Yes, we are.
I'm sorry.
No worries.
Are we on John Paul Lewis?
Correct.
City of Detroit, John Paul Lewis Senior, case number SP 1710619, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1710627, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Correct, Mr. AP 87848 on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, please state your full name for the record.
John Paul Lewis, Senior.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Villanueva, 3939, Detroit Police Department.
Okay, Officer Villanueva. Good morning. Go ahead. What's the day, date, time set for a trial/formal hearing?
And Judge, at this time, we'll be accepting the people's offer, which is to a 12-month delayed sentence of the violation of the firearm ordinance. And the only requirement alongside that is Mr. Lewis take a handgun safety class for the 12 months.
Is this a discharging of firearm in the city limits?
Yes.
All right, $500 is going to be the fine, sir. A 12-month delay with the firearm safety course. The $500 is going to be due next month. You want to take the deal?
I would like to take the deal, Your Honor, but I would need a little longer than 1 month if possible.
You don't get any, a month I should fine you right now. You don't get the benefit of discharging the firearm in the city of Detroit. And now basically you want, this is unacceptable.
Judge, is there any way Mr. Lewis could enter a payment plan within a month or two?
No, he can get the money. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
I didn't hear you.
I said, yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Massaria went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give the rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 15th, 2025, around 11:42 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Mark Twain and Jeffries Freeway. Were you around that area around that date and that time?
Yes, sir.
And did you have a firearm with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
And whose firearm was it?
Mine, Your Honor.
What kind of firearm is it?
A Sig Sauer P365 9mm.
Cost more than $500, didn't it?
Yes, sir.
And you still have that firearm?
No, sir.
What did you do?
Your Honor, I was startled. My house is on the service drive where there's no street in between. I take full responsibility, but there is a field with overgrowth of vegetation. And I was startled. I thought something was coming through. I have a lot of people walk in and out of my yard. I can pick the laptop up and show you right now. But I was startled. I thought something, so I shot in the ground. That's what happened. Like I can show you, I'm sitting around.
Let me ask you this, Mr. Lewis. Do you expect me to believe that?
Oh, it's just the truth, Your Honor. I can show you.
Do you expect me to believe that? Really? I'm asking you a question.
No, sir.
So why would you tell me that? Say that again?
Because that's what happened, Your Honor.
So you expect me to believe it?
I do not expect you.
I'm not. You're breaking up.
I'm sorry. I do not expect you to believe.
Well, if you say that's what happened, and you're standing by that's what happened, then if that's what actually happened, if it happened, then I would expect, I would expect you to expect me to believe it. But it just sounds so far-fetched. If you live off the freeway of Jeffries Freeway, is a field next to you. You hear some noise and you decide to shoot.
Your Honor, would you like to see like the field and park?
No, I know what it looks like over there. You didn't hear, you heard something, you didn't see anything, you didn't hear a gunshot or anything, and you just decide to shoot into the ground. Right?
Felt like I was protecting my house, Your Honor. I have a lot of vegetation. I'm a very short guy. There's a lot of very tall vegetation. I have a lot of people who walk across the field. There's dents in my fence where people walk across the property. I was just afraid, Your Honor.
I'm not buying this, Lewis. I think you were out there drinking, and I think you're out there being reckless with a firearm. That's what I think you were doing. I'm not buying that story about being afraid. How long have you lived over there, sir?
For 12 years, sir, since 2012. I bought this house in 2012. I've never got.
How long have you lived in the city? And how long have you lived in the city of Detroit?
For all my life, 43 years.
All your life?
Yes, sir.
I'm not buying it. You're trying to play on the narrative that Detroit is so unsafe that you are.
If I may, Your Honor. If I may, Your Honor. If I may, I was not outside drinking. I wasn't drinking. I had drunk, but I was never outside drinking. I was in my house when I was drinking.
I didn't say you were outside drinking. I said you were drinking.
Okay.
And you had a firearm.
Yes, sir.
And they don't mix because they make you make stupid decisions like the decision that you made.
You're right.
Because I don't believe you're scared. You lived over there 12 years. I don't believe you lived in the city of Detroit all your life. I don't believe, because I'm short, that I don't believe any of that stuff. I believe you made a poor decision because you were drinking alcohol and you had a firearm. Find your client guilty, as charged, $500 fine. I'll review in 30 days, it's payable in 30 days on August the 25th, come back on August the 25th. The 1 year date is going to be July the 21st, 2026. Take a gun safety course, 12-month delayed sentence. Come back on the 25th of August with it paid, sir. If you don't have any further questions, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. And I hope this makes you realize to make better decisions, especially with a firearm in the future.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Have a good day, Judge.
You're welcome. Officer Villanueva, be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Okay, Mr. Graves, I'm having Mr. Perkins come in. He's in already. This is the city of Detroit versus Demarion Graves, case number SP157100011. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, unmute yourself, put your camera on, state your full name for the record, please.
Demarion Graves.
All right, Mr. Graves, is that headgear you have, some religious headgear, sir? Do not take it off, please. All right, today is the date and time set for, I think it's set for a, was it show cause? Show cause, purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Client's going to stand mute, waives the formal reading, and we're asking the court to recall any bench warrants and set the matter for a bench trial date.
All right, I'm going to set another trial date. This is the last one I'm set with giving you this $0 bond, sir. You missed another date, I'm going to put a cash bond on you, all right?
Yes.
All right, trial date will be August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I'm going to put you in a room with Mr. Perkins, and you're going to get acquainted. If you don't have any further questions after you talk to the attorney, then you're free to leave. All right, Mr. Graves?
Yes.
I wish you the best of luck, and I'm going to join breakout room 7, please, when you see the prompt. Join the room, please.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. It's past the matter, or if nothing comes up, you're free to leave as well if you don't have to. All right, let's go back on the record.
I was gonna say.
All right, give me a second. Let's go back on the record with Miss Katrina Lee. Miss Lee, are you there?
Yeah.
I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. She surprisingly has a valid driver's license. Miss Lee, I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to have to pay the $45 reinstatement fee. I hope you realize that those 2 people got killed it wasn't because there was a stop sign there, because there was no stop sign there at the time. But you're running these stop signs like this, you're going to either kill somebody or injure somebody severely doing that, and you're not going to get a break on any of those. And as long as you come before me, all right?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Be safe.
Okay.
This is Dion Larkins. Mr. Larkins, are you there? What do you got, Mr. Johnson? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
He'd like to avail himself of the recommendation about the people.
What is that?
It is, so the offer would be to do an FPD, do disorderly conduct under 3 months, and improper plate, dismiss the balance.
FTD, disorderly conduct, and improper plate?
Yes, Your Honor.
And dismiss the balance. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yeah.
Mr.
And Judge, just so Your Honor is aware, the disorderly conduct is pursuant to a no contest plea.
Is there any delay on that at all?
Yes, 3 months. 3 months delayed.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Green?
Yes.
You understand that by taking this deal, you're going to give up that right to a trial?
Yes.
You have other rights as well. Do you understand those? Did Mr. Johnson go over those with you?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
All right, you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up, all the rights, right?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 5th, 2023, at around 6:25 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Mac and 15935 Mac Avenue. Were you did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department around that date and that time?
That's the one under the no contest.
Oh, is that does that come out, all these tickets come out of that?
Should just be one, which is the disorderly conduct, and it will be Officer McCree's, I assume.
No, it's not. It's just Officer Vince Vocals, Sergeant Vince Vocals tickets, and it's 3 tickets that came out of it. So we were taking the plea to the I guess it happened on the same day. The allegations happened on the same day. You want to take a no contest plea on all of it?
Yes.
Does that the city allow you to do that? And it has no objection to it?
Mr. Snyder?
No objection, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the piece of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the purposes of the no contest plea.
I do, yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter. Other matters?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulate.
That stipulation, I'll enter a no contest plea for the amended count of failure to display, amended count of for that driving license suspended, amended count of improper plate for the amended count of no insurance misdemeanor, and as charged to the disorderly conduct, the no contest plea 3-month delay, and dismiss the other matters. Mr. Green, you're working?
Yes.
I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. How long have you been working?
Well, about 3 weeks. I'm actually at work right now, for real.
I see. All right, what I'm gonna do. I'm only gonna fine you for 2 of these, all right?
Okay.
I'll no fine you for the one. I'm gonna have this reviewed in 30 days. On August the 25th, 2025. I mark the file allow payment plan. So I want you to get some paychecks under your belt, and I want you to either pay it off. It's gonna be 240 and 240. I want you to either pay it off, that's $480, by August the 25th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Or I want you to get into a payment plan before August 25th, 2025, all right? You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse to get into that payment plan and bring 20% of the 480 down, okay?
Okay. And you say I could pay on my phone?
You can pay it on your phone as well. You can make payments on your phone as well.
Okay. Start doing that.
All right. All right, congratulations on getting the job, sir. And I hope you learned the lesson, all right?
Sure.
All right, if there's nothing further, be safe. Best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. What about Greenwood?
Yes, ready. Thank you, Your Honor. He's at work.
Yes,
as well.
Greenwood?
Man, my job, man, they just send me home. I don't know if I'm fired, but this happened, man, every time. Man. But yeah, they just send me home. But yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
You need a letter for your job?
Yeah, yeah, I'm at work right now, but they just sent me home because I took too long. Like, yes, Your Honor. But I'm doing the best I can do, Your Honor.
I'm trying to do the best I can too. This is the city of Detroit versus Charles Greenwood, case number Z8095041, SB 167-19581. Appearance for the record, please.
Basil Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Greenwood.
All right, Mr. Greenwood, state your name for the record, please.
Charles Greenwood.
All right, you couldn't take the day off today, sir?
No, sir. I work at the casino. They kind of slim on those days. Very slim.
Well, this court.
Yeah, I know.
I know how they are, though. These places are getting, it's crazy. All right, have you worked it out, Mr. Johnson? Is there an officer here on Greenwood? Officer Martin,
yes.
Good morning to you. Can you state your name?
Officer Joshua Martin. Sorry about that, Your Honor. Officer Martin, badge 4091, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Have you worked it out, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor. Oh, Basil Johnson. Yes, Your Honor. It's a being impaired and a dismissal on the other.
Operating while visibly impaired.
Yes.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Greenwood?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Barrett, Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
So by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
I can't hear you, sir.
No, Your Honor.
Now, let me draw your attention back to January 27, 2025, around 9:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Wyoming and 13687 Wyoming. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
did the officer ask, did you have some alcohol during or prior to the operation of that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor, prior.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
I had a shot prior. Oh, you saying you asking the brand?
Well, what kind of alcohol was it?
I don't recall, Your Honor. I believe it was Lunazol, I believe.
You only had one shot of alcohol?
Maybe a couple prior. Like I can't really remember, Your Honor. January, a couple hour before I
Did
went
the
out, Your Honor.
alcohol affect your ability to properly operate the motor vehicle?
Personally, no, Your Honor, but yes, yes, during, yes.
Well, it's been a while ago, and I can see he did indicate that he knows he had a shot. He said he may have had a couple of shots earlier. Will you stipulate to the, data master results, for the purposes of this plea, Counselor?
I do, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of operating while visibly impaired. I'm gonna sentence you. I'm not even gonna check. All the other bond conditions are the same. I am gonna check when you leave the probation department. It doesn't appear that you were ever testing. Have you ever been testing?
Yes, I test every week, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, I'm gonna check with the probation department. I'm gonna let you go. Come back on September the 8th for sentencing. I'm gonna order a pretrial investigation report, and I need a good phone number from you.
313-502-9515.
I hope that you can get back in the work. I don't know if that's possible, but
Me too, Your
I'm
Honor.
gonna let you
Me too.
go now to figure it out. And if you need a note, then we can get you a note.
Hey, Your Honor, if I can get some emails, I for sure would appreciate it.
Huh?
I said if I can get some context, I for sure would appreciate it.
You want to know from the court?
Repeat that.
You want to know from the court to let your job know you were in court?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
All right, what is it? You want us to email it to you?
Yes, if you could.
What is the email address?
CJ.green1190@gmail.com. And thank you, Your Honor. I truly appreciate you, man.
That's cj.green1190@gmail.com. Need letter for work. It's not our intention to make you miss any work, that's for sure. And I hope that you can settle up with them and make them understand that you do have court. You're not just out there. So go ahead and we'll send that letter as soon as possible to the email. Go ahead, Mr. Johnson.
What time on September 8th for sentencing?
10 p.m. 10 a.m. So I'm sorry, 10 a.m. And then Mr. Greenwood, you're gonna get a call. We need that pre-sentence report. Set up a date and time with probation to come in for that pre-sentence report, okay?
Okay, do you know when that will be around?
No, they should call you. We're gonna make a referral on that. You'll be able to be flexible. We just need that report by September the 8th.
Okay, okay. Do I have to call my probation officer and extra to send it over? Or?
They'll call you.
Okay.
Because your probation officer might change.
Okay, okay, thank you, Your Honor.
They'll call you. All right, sir. If there's nothing further, best of luck. Ms. Mathis is gonna get that letter ASAP to you, all right?
Thank you so much, Your Honor. You have a blessed day, man.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good day. Are you done, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, be safe. Very, very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you very much.
All right, City of Detroit versus Dion Calvin Larkins, case numbers. SP 168 5872, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 168 58751, SP 1732119, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1732126, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Larkins. You're muted, Mr. Larkins. Unmute.
Hello?
Morning to you, Mr. Larkins. State your name for the record, please.
Dion Calvin Larkins, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, speak to Mr. Larkins in the breakout room. Mr. Larkins, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. All right. Mr. Phillips, are we ready on board?
I'm trying to, I guess.
Who's on the Galaxy A10? Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Good morning. My name is Christopher Lunsford.
Lunsford, good morning to you. Who's on the Galaxy? I mean, I got that. Who's Carlos's iPhone? Officer Burley, your case was dismissed. You didn't make it on time.
Here.
Okay. All right. Be safe out there, Officer Burley. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Carlos's iPhone. What is your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning. Carlos Alberto Gonzalez.
Carlos Alberto Gonzalez. Good morning to you. Okay. Let's see. Carlos Alberto Gonzalez. Is that what they, Gonzalez or S?
C.
Do you have a case number, sir?
Yes. It's P1679748.
You said P1679748.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Carlos Alberto Gonzalez, case number SP 1697974, 8 counts 1 and counts 2, SP 169797531. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez, please state your name for the record.
Carlos Alberto Gonzalez.
All right, we'll call it today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the warrant, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gonzalez. What is your date of birth?
June 13, 2003.
All right. He has a warrant, I would call it a warrant on enter not guilty plea. He's got 3 tickets. One is I don't see one is an expired plate. For some reason, it's not popping up, but it does pop up on his summary. The other one is a no insurance proof. And the other one is a driver license never acquired. See if you can work it out for him, Ms. Harris or Mr. Gonzalez. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, yes.
Must have a driver's license. He's sitting in the driver's seat. Run his license, guys. Join the room, please. All right. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? I mean, Mr. Phillips. You spoke with Ms. Anara Gordon. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please?
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to speak to her because her phone's on mute.
You never spoke?
No, we never spoke.
Ms. Gordon?
Before I got switched to the other room, it said that I was muted. And then when you just brought me back, it said I had to push this number to unmute myself. But it never said that when we got switched to the other room. I was muted some kind of way.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right. I don't know how you got muted. Go back in the room, Mr. Phillips, with Ms. Gordon. I have here 24 hours of community service.
Okay.
All right. Go back in the room with Ms. Gordon. And if you ever get muted, you can press *6 to unmute yourself, okay?
Okay.
Rejoin the room. Ms. Long, we're waiting on Mr. Warbling, and here he is. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Warbling. Ms. Long is here. I do have a copy of the pre-sentence report. Can you get that to Mr. Warbling? Do you have a copy, Mr. Warbling? Yeah, please.
Judge, I have not received it as of yet.
All right, I'm going to put you and Ms. Long in the breakout room, and I'm going to send you a copy of the pre-sentence report. Go over that with her, and then we'll review it. All right. Join the room, please. Carlos Gonzalez license is valid. He already says to me.
You ready to write it down? It's 3. Okay, so the number is 360. This is for every day. So that's the meeting. 360. Don't pass. Okay.
Back on the record with Mr. Larkins. Mr. Larkins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
This is for long, correct, Judge? Okay, case number is 8. 6.
What happened at the last trial? Mr. Larkin. Mr. Larkin.
Yes,
What happened at the last trial?
I could barely hear you, Your Honor.
So what happened at the last trial?
Well, remember a couple weeks ago, Your Honor, I got on and I said it was an issue with the dates, and then you wanted to group all the court cases onto one day, and so we moved them to the. You told me, Your Honor, it was on the 25th, but when I look on the ROA, the Register of Actions, it says it's the 21st, and that's why I'm here.
All right, let's get him an attorney on the spot, please. All right, I'm gonna try to get you an attorney right now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Lunsford,
Yes.
why are you here?
I had a court date last Tuesday. I don't know what happened, but you told me to call back today at 10 a.m.
Who is your attorney? Lunsford's phone, please.
I don't remember his name.
I don't. You said he was.
Graves, I guess, Graves.
But this does.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, Mr. Gonzalez does have a valid driver's license.
Your Honor, and we are prepared to resolve the cases today. He would admit responsibility to expired plate with the remaining matters dismissed. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis and stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll dismiss the driving license never acquired and the insurance no proof, and I'll find you responsible for the as charged to the expired plates, $145. When can you pay?
I could pay by today.
All right, you can pay at any time, pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. I'll give you until tomorrow to make the payment. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome.
This is for the month.
No, this is for Larkin's. Ms. Gordon, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, Ms. Anar Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Phillips. Did you work something out as far as the community service?
Yes, sir.
All right, what are we gonna do?
He told me to reach out to someone that's close to where I stay, and I was told that if I couldn't reach them, to give him a call back.
Well, Mr. Phillips, are you just sending her to wherever she wants to go? Or wherever she can go? Is there a particular place that you have connected her with?
Yes, I connected her with Tabernacle.
You have to speak up, Mr. Phillips. Your volume is very, very low.
I connected her to Tabernacle Missionary Baptist Church, the Reverend Spurl.
Is that in your area, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, how long? I'm gonna give you 30 days.
Yes, sir.
Come back on the 27th of August. The 27th of August, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, 24 hours of community service, the 27th of August. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. All right, thank you, Mr. Phillips, for zooming in on your off court day today.
Oh, it's my pleasure, man.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Sorry to interrupt, Your Honor.
Say
Do you
that
know,
again?
did Courtney Marche Lyons check in for her trial?
No, I haven't had a line. Let me see, you see the, okay. John Paul Lewis, okay, who's on that, I thought I let someone in, Graves, but they don't seem to be here. So it looks like, for Lions and Love, the corporal evasion, if you're free to leave, be safe. And Love did not show.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
By Corporal.
Did we ever get in touch with Waski? Call
That's
him
for Lunsford.
for Lunsford. That's because he was not gonna stop smoking marijuana.
No, I was looking for an email. We don't have such.
Hey, this is DM. You okay today?
All right, Mr. Lunsford, I'm trying to get in touch with Waski still. I don't know why he hasn't responded to us. And then Mr. Larkins, I'm waiting on a response from Judge Carter about appointed attorney. Where is Mr. Larkins? He's in room 1, 2. Mr. Larkins, I'm waiting on the attorney to zoom in. Did we get into?
Contact them. I texted him from Washington.
Text the Washington.
Yeah, I called him 3 times about the budget. I texted. I'm from Judge. How you doing? You just need to start a point. I sent you a text too. That was a while ago, wasn't it? That was, I can't think of her name, but I would have to call the attorney that was telling me. I remember the attorney, he doesn't work it. That don't ring a bell. Okay. No, you're fine. Mhm. Okay, thank you. The client, okay, yeah, I sent it in the text message. It's in the text. You're welcome. All right, bye-bye. This is CJ Green at 1190.
morning again. Are you here for Lunsford?
For the spot appointment, Ms. Carter just called, yes.
For Mr. Larkins, I'll put you in a breakout room with him. You two get acquainted, and let's call it again, City of Detroit versus Dion Calvin Larkins, case number SP 1685872, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 168587551, SP 1732119, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1732126, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Larkins. Mr. Dion Larkins, state your name for the record, please. Unmute yourself.
Dion Calvin Larkins, Your Honor, Attorney Lunsford.
All right, Mr. Larkins, Mr. Pericano is going to be your attorney moving forward. I'm going to set a trial date for August 12, 2025 at 9 a.m. Speak to Mr. Larkins, get acquainted. If there's any more you need to say relative to the case, then you can come back in. But if there's nothing further, you're free to leave. Best of luck to you, and join the breakout room, please.
Thank you, Judge.
Warfield makes no sense. It's only a short young.
All right, are we ready on Ms. Long?
I'm here.
Judge, I apologize for any delays. We seem to be ready this time. Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Long, I read the report, and I wanted to ask you, do you want to speak to somebody for mental health?
I can, yeah.
I called them in, they said they'd be on their way shortly, so I would, I didn't know if that was correct in there, but I wanted to make sure that, if you, wanted to, we'll have that available for you, so I did call them a while ago and we're waiting for them to appear, okay?
Okay.
All right, give me a few minutes, all right?
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
You're welcome. Morning. Okay, Mr. Long, I'm having, Ms. Warfield zoom in so she can speak with you, okay?
I'm sorry.
I'm having Ms. Warfield, she's from mental health, to speak with you. Is that all right? So she'll zoom
Okay.
in momentarily, okay?
Okay.
Never got in touch with WASP.
No, never got in touch with most judge. I texted him.
WASP, not W-A-S-K.
Yes, correct. He never made contact. I called 4 times on the text. Sorry. Personal person and terms. Yes. It's J-N-N-I-R-A. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Miss Christopher. Next, I mean,
Mr. Lunsford, do you have a number for WASP?
No, I don't.
How did you get in contact with them? Did you retain him?
No, I didn't.
We sent him to you?
Yes, sir.
Hi, attorney, let's give this July, is coming from Judge Perkins courtroom at the 36th District Court. I'm following you by Christopher Lunge. If you could please give the court a call at 313-965-2402 or Zoom in to our courtroom. Zoom the ID number is 360. Back call it just a second, okay?
Did you ever get Lunsford's file from them? Did they have it down there or something? You can go ahead. I'll go ahead.
I was kind of running with those gentlemen was here earlier with the same last name, and they almost kind of looked alike.
They did.
It's kind of funny. Sometimes people lose contact with their family members. But that's not a common last name. Yeah. That's the other day.
A different number.
Seems like he was just informed us on the 16th.
Who's on the Samsung device? Take your hat off, sir. What's your name?
Earl Lewis. Excuse me, is this Judge Perkins?
This is he.
Okay, how you doing, sir? I've been in the wrong courtroom since 8:30.
What's your date of birth, sir?
3/21/92.
City of Detroit versus Earl Curtis Lewis, case number SP 1033753, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1184639, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1223612, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1330150, count 1, SP 1365980, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1603111, SP 1693037, 1, SP 1693037. Strike that. SP 1693039, counts 1, 2, and 3. 17 305959. 1 19 215937, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Earl Curtis Lewis.
The date and time set for pre-trial. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Lewis an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lewis, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. What is Ms. Warfield doing? Call her again, please.
Reach out to attorney. The court is waiting. All right. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh, again, London lost. Can't find a number for him.
Garcia J didn't come for tonight. Source to jobs.
Has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up. Judge Perkins, Mr. Mayor. Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lunsford. Mr. May strike that. Let's go back on the record Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, if the court will allow, we're respectfully requesting an adjourned pretrial date. I know Mr. Lewis was given some information in terms of what he should come to pay in attempts to approach the Secretary of State. He indicates that when he came down to the court to make that payment, it was a bit more than what he had anticipated versus what he was told in court. So he just needs time to get some more funds together.
No, I'm not giving them any more time.
Understood, and we
So-
discussed that as well. We're requesting a trial date.
We got a pretrial date of 11/4/2024. He's been in and out of here.
Judge, can you
Now he
repeat
plans-
that? The printer was going while you were stating what you were stating. I'm sorry.
I'm not giving him any more time. He's had a pretrial date of 2024. That's just a pretrial date. I don't know how many other dates he's had. He says he's in the wrong courtroom today. That's why he came in so super late. I can't keep giving you time.
Understood, sir. Understood. The reason I made a mistake with
I
you
don't
guys.
need to know, I want to know any reason. I mean, I'm not even on there with that. At some point, you just gotta face it. I've done everything in my power and ability to help you out, to get you through this and to get this stuff taken care of, but you just haven't done it for one reason or another.
Yeah, and excuses. I don't want to tell you no excuses. Just I'm working on see a change sooner or later. I can't promise it quick. I got a lot going on. I don't want to give you no excuse. I'm just trying best I could.
All right, come back on the August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
James Winsky is here. I just don't know.
Are you free to leave, Mr. Lewis?
All right, thanks, sir. Have a nice day.
You as well. All right, Mr. Waski.
Judge, how are you?
Well, thank you for zooming in. Mr. Lunsford, you represent him. He was sentenced and he was agreeing to go to drug treatment court.
Right.
He went over to drug treatment court, but he won't stop smoking marijuana. And that's one of the they won't allow a man for that. So we're gonna have to re-sentence him.
Okay.
So I'll let you speak with them. We've already gone over everything pretty much. I'm sure that you've gone over the report with them and all that, because we sentenced him to that. I can give you a copy of the report again if you need it.
No, I got it right here, Judge. I see what it is. I mean, okay. So drug court, as I understand from what you're saying, will not take him because he won't stop. And
no, he's referencing his lupus as the reason why.
Yeah.
That he's been prescribed by a doctor that medication. So, all right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him.
Okay, thank you. Judge Perkins,
Yes.
we're ready to be sentenced.
Miss Long, I'm gonna put you in a, rejoin the breakout room. Rejoin the breakout room. I'm gonna get Miss Warfield in there to you and speak with you, all right?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You can rejoin room number 5, the same room you're in. You should be able to go down and hit the button down there.
I don't have a button to rejoin the room.
There should be a more button down there.
Oh, more.
And it should show you that the breakout room is open.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Norman Lunsford, case number Z8094361. Appearance for the record, please.
James Watsky, P 31546 on behalf of Mr. Lunsford. He's still in the breakout room, Judge. Can you? There we go.
Mr. Lunsford, state your name for the record, please.
Christopher Lunsford.
All right, today is the date set for sentencing. We went over the pre-sentence report at some point in the past. Is there any reason to revisit that report?
Judge, we've read the report on a prior date, and we had no additions or corrections to that report. That report still remains valid. I understand that Mr. Lunsford, who was referred to drug court, has a continuing marijuana issue. He claims it's for his lupus that gives him the ability to have an appetite so that he can eat and take his medication. I don't know that he's going to stop. He does not have anything that I've seen or that he's presented to me that would indicate that a doctor is suggesting that as a potential treatment. Even though we know that in the state of Michigan, at least, marijuana use is legal, but as part of the condition of his probation, he was not to do anything. And yet he continues to do that. And I don't see any changes in that, Judge.
Mr. Lunsford, do you have anything to say on your behalf? Unmute yourself. You have some background noise.
Can you hear me now? It muted me automatically. Can you hear me?
I muted you because you had some background information noise.
I don't think that's on my end, Your Honor.
It was on your end. Do you have anything to say on your behalf?
No, I have nothing further, Your Honor.
You said you do have a doctor's note for this marijuana?
I can get a doctor's note. I didn't think that I needed one, but I can get her to write a note if you like.
No, you said that you were prescribed that the last time we talked. You said you were prescribed that because of your lupus.
Yeah, my doctor told me that it was okay for me to use THC for my condition. She told me that she didn't need to write a chit or write it out for me to get it because it's legal in the state. So she told me that she didn't need to write anything for me to go get it.
Did you tell your doctor that you are that I don't believe I ever had them not use marijuana. I generally, it's legal to use. It's going to be the sentence of the court to test 3 times per month. Shall not consume alcohol or alcohol-containing products. Shall not consume any illicit controlled substances. Take the Choices program. Complete alcohol highway safety level 1. Attend driver's improvement program. View consequences video. Attend the victim's impact panel. MAD, Others Against Drunk Driving. Pay all fines and costs assessed by the court. Is going to be a $240 fine. And it's going to be a $100 assessment fee. It's going to be a $35 per month probation fee. It's going to be a $15 urinalysis fee. And then all the other statutory fees that relate to a conviction of this sort. They will be on the judgment of sentence, but that's the state cost of $50, crime victims' right of $75, misdemeanor ordinance cost of $65. You were retained or appointed?
Appointed, Judge.
$25 house counsel fee. And any other statutory fees that are obligated by statute, which will be all on the judgment of sentence. I'm going to give you a 12-month probation. That's for July the 21st, 2026 will be the probation end date if all of the requirements are met. I'll review. I don't need a 6-month date. I'll review in 6 months. January 22nd is your next court date. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. That's 8/25. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Do the same. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. And we're going to refer it to probation.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
Can you still hear me? I'm sorry.
Yes.
When do I start to make those payments?
You need to make the payment $35. Make that just every month, because if you get off probation early, then We don't want to have to return any money to you. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-778-0509.
All right, probation is gonna reach out to you. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. Do the same.
Thank you.
Take care, Judge.
All right, this is Boston. This is the city of Detroit. This is Michelle Alexis Long. Z8 094611. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge, did you want me to place my appearance, Judge, at this time?
Please.
Judge Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Miss Long. Miss Long, could you state your full name for the record at this time?
Michelle Long.
All right.
And good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391, Specialty Court Counsel.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Warfield. All right, Ms. Long, I give you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Warfield. Did you have a good conversation with her?
Yes.
What's gonna happen, Ms. Warfield, Ms. Long? I'll let Ms. Warfield speak.
Yes, Your Honor. I did have an opportunity to speak with Miss Long. Miss Long is not only eligible for our program, turn the court date in front of Judge Holmes on August the 6th at 9:30 a.m. in person.
Say that again, I'm sorry.
Oh, can you hear me better now?
Yeah, turn your camera off. It kind of distorts. I'm sorry. No, you can leave it off. Go ahead. Let me see if that goes through better.
Okay, 1 second. Okay. Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So Miss Long is eligible and interested in our program, Your Honor. And her return to court date will be August the 6th at 9:30 a.m.
Is there any more that I need to do?
No, Your Honor, I believe that she's here for sentencing, so you can sentence her to the specialty court.
All right. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Long?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Long, I hope that I know that Ms. Judge Holmes will she's very good at what she does, and she's very comprehensive, and they have a very good staff over there to provide you with the resources that you need. I'll be praying that you get those and address the issues that you've had and are dealing with. So we'll be praying for that. But I think you made a good choice in going over there, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy Judge Holmes. Not only, she's very, very, she loves and passionate about what she's doing, and very, very caring about what she does. And I think the whole staff is just phenomenal. So I wish you the best of luck. I'll sentence you to mental health court. It's August 6th with Judge Holmes at 9:30 a.m. and that will be in person. Okay.
Yes.
Something further, Ms. Long. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. Okay.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you,
Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. All right, I guess that will conclude the morning.